promote a stronger immune system. Reduce the risk of illness and infection. Increase the metabolic rate. Reduce the toxins and waste in the body. Provide the user with necessary energy support. Naturally balances out hormones. Reduce an overactive appetite. Balance high blood sugar. Java Burn Weight Loss Supplement in COVID. Java Burn, just like other dietary supplements, will help you naturally lose weight. It comes as a powder, and all you need to do is mix it into your daily mug of coffee. And you are all done. This supplement is tasteless, so it will not ruin your morning routine. And it comes with numerous benefits. You see its positive effects in 2 to 3 weeks. Java Burn has a natural composition, and all of its ingredients, if taken individually, link in the description. Java Burn ingredient: 300 mg of green tea extract, 200 mg of green coffee bean extract, 100 mg of L-carnitine, 100 mg of L-theanine, 20 micrograms of chromium, 20 micrograms of vitamin D3, 1 mg of vitamin B6, 500 mg vitamin B12. Java Burn monthly supplement price: 1 pouch at $49, 30 servings, for $49 plus shipping costs. 3 pouches at $34 each, 90 servings, for $102 plus shipping costs. 6 pouches at $29 each, 180 servings, for $174 plus shipping costs.